In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete property in Notion. If you're working in a Notion database and want to clean up fields you no longer need, deleting a property is a quick process. A property in Notion is basically a column in your database, like a status field, date field, tag field, or any other type of information attached to your entries. Before you remove one, just keep in mind that deleting a property will also remove the data stored in that column. So it's a good idea to make sure you no longer need it. To get started, go to your Notion page and open the database where the property is located. This can be a table or any database view where the column is visible. Once you're on the correct page, take a moment to locate the specific property you want to remove. Next, click on the property at the top of the column in your database. This means clicking directly on the column header, not one of the cells underneath it. When you select the property name at the top, Notion will open a menu with options related to that property. This is where you can manage settings for the column, including editing it or removing it entirely. From that menu, click on Delete Property. This tells Notion that you want to remove the entire column from the database. If you don't immediately see the option, just carefully scan the menu and make sure you clicked the column header itself, since the delete option appears in the property settings. After that, Notion will ask you to confirm the action. Click on Delete again to confirm. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental changes, which is especially useful if you're working in an important database with multiple fields. Once you confirm, the property will be removed from your database along with the information stored in that column. If you're unsure whether you still need the data, it may be worth reviewing the entries first before confirming the deletion, and that's all it takes to delete a property in Notion. It's a simple way to keep your database organized and remove columns that are no longer useful. If you're tidying up a workspace, this can make your database easier to read and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.